Hello and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, you will learn how to repeat a YouTube video automatically. So, let's get started. Go to youtube.com. Now first of all, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification to get more updates for our future videos. Now I will select my own video because of copyrights. You can select any video you want to repeat that. Select the video, and when page loads, then go to link bar. Here do some changes to this YouTube video link. From this link remove the https www. Then after YouTube type repeat. Jump to a new website, and it will detect your YouTube video. Now your selected video will be repeated until you will stop it. Now let's test it, that this video is repeating or not. It's expected that video is repeating automatically. Hope you will like the video. A comment about this trick. Share it with friends if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.